See this panel? Nice and shiny on the outside. What about on the inside? That's not dirt. That's mold. This is what happens when a motorcycle sits under a motorcycle cover for an extended period of time. It becomes moldy oldie. Don't leave your motorcycle under a motorcycle cover. Those things turn your motorcycle into a greenhouse. You don't want to be breathing all of this crap while you're riding down the road. Think of that. Wind's blowing through the machine, stirring all of these mold spores up. You've got a big smile on your face. You're breathing in the air, smelling the roses, and you're getting sick. Gotta fix this. I'm gonna get sick. But how do you get rid of the mold? Well, you really don't want to spray it down with bike wash and scrub it up dub and hose it down the road. I wouldn't want to do that in my yard. I wouldn't want you to do that in your yard. We don't want to agitate it and make it airborne. Then we're at risk of breathing it more so than you would be otherwise. And where's it going to go? Do you really want that floating around your whole neighborhood? I don't like doing this often because it's bad to be exposed to. I have reactions to it that are unpleasant, and it sucks. But you know, it sucks working on a motorcycle that's moldy too. So we want to capture the mold so we can dispose of it. We don't want to wash it away in a fluid. We don't want to agitate it and make it airborne. We want to capture it. If we capture the mold, we can dispose of it in a small package. So that is my plan with this RTP behind me. Because RDP is really moldy. And I don't want my friend riding around getting sick. So we're going to get rid of that mold. I need to remove the other lateral trim panel. I need to remove the fuel tank. And then I'm going to look a little bit deeper and see just how far we have to go to eradicate this mold. I haven't even done anything yet. And my fingertips are already moldy. All of this that you see is mold. See the cover? Bracket for the seat. I'm gonna go suit up. I'll be back.